I'll just pick the weed just for the fun of it. And well, let's pick an object that's very easy to use. The chair, that's damn easy, just sit on it. Right? Then find something that's very hard. I tend to find these espresso, whatever machines, really difficult to operate. So our senior VP rewarded us a year ago by giving us these Starbucks iCup machine that you see in the kitchenette. And to me, they were hard to use, and I thought they had cups that would drop down. So the first time when I used it, I pressed all the buttons. It was brewing. I walked away, thinking that the cup would fall. So that was hard for me, but it may be easy for you, right? So imagine going through all these steps. I'm going through all these steps, and I can have multiple users, and we put, so Meredith now is selecting her scale, right? She's telling me what is easy for her, what's hard for her. So then I will go to my laptop. So imagine we have my tablet. Imagine we have a, I'm a researcher and there is a study going on. I'll have Meredith do a task, and then I will use my, this is just a simulator for now. I'll use my tablet, I'll sit down and I'll say, let me show Meredith, let me ask Meredith how efficient she thought arranging the photos was. And I'll click show, and in a couple of seconds we are still tweaking this, it should show up. And ta-da! Meredith gets to go, let me see. Oops, maybe I should take that out of the video. I'll go, it was inefficient, confirm. Right? So, note that there's no numbers. In the past, we have always asked them, 1 to 10, what do you think? 1 to 10, 1 to 10. And after about 20 1 to 10s, you tend to go like, it's really, really slow and difficult. And say, let me do ease of use. And instead of Meredith, maybe Meredith brought in her husband, Stanley. And by the way, these names are taken from The Office, so I hope NBC doesn't sue me. I'll say show, and we will show Stanley's scale, right? So now it's relative to Stanley. This is his scale of ease of use. He makes a rating, no numbers. He can drag it wherever he wants and go, okay, this is where I like it. Right. So what if I'll
That's awesome.
Yeah,
cool.
I never even thought of it that way.
Yeah.
That's thinking out of the box. Forget the numbers.
You have to, right?
I mean, excuse me, forget the numbers.
That's
Just
right.
scale it.
And our researchers are trained to collect data at every available opportunity. If a person says, oh, that's strange, never mind, let me just continue. We are trained to go, oh, what about that? Let's go back to that for a second. What do you think about that? We try not to give away data, well, catch it while it's there. So imagine if I have a weird question to ask the user on the fly. I'll go, well, let me ask a two-part question, and it's really a true or false question. Didn't prepare for it. We are in a session. There's no time to take notes. There's no time to, do anything. Let me just show a very quick true or false scale. And there it is, true or false, and go, yeah, that wasn't true. And the beauty of this is, as soon as you touch confirm, we put a timestamp, and it feeds, and it goes directly into our database. So I can go into my database, SQL, obviously, Microsoft SQL, and pull out all the data, right? Now, what if I have a weird question that that is not inbuilt? Well, I can build any questionnaire. I can say, well, I really have a weird question, and the choices are foo. Oh, let me just backspace this. Foo bar. And I've always been very curious where that two words come from, but developers here like to say foo bar. If you need to impress any developers at Microsoft, say, oh, for instance, we have foo bar. It's very impressive. Right? So foo bar. Let me ask a developer to give me a scale of foo bar. And did I press it? Ooh, and my program didn't work. Just goes to show. Study.
Probably had a user access control.
Yeah, I think someone knew that I was going to pull this foo bar joke and made it not possible for me to do my foo bar. The developer did help me code this up, so maybe he blocked the foo bar. Possible. Okay, let's try again. Surprise 1, show. Select the task. and show a foobar. Well, the foobar is not working. Maybe I should not have insulted the developers.